Woohoo! Jumper! Well guys, it's a rainy day as you can see, but I just talked to the guy. There's two guys fishing over there, and he said when he pulled up, the truck was right here. So evidently they put the fish in today, Wednesday. I thought they'd probably go. Wednesday was the first time they put them in. I thought they'd go back to that day. It looks like it's lightening up. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna get my stuff and go down there and start fishing. I figured they'd put them in on the day it was raining. Tomorrow, the next day, is supposed to be just partly cloudy. But let's see if we can get this going. Alrighty. Just had one, so there we go. First trout of the day. Little thin little guy, Jesus. There we go, guys. Whoa. Fish number one. There's another one over there, guys. Oh, there we go. Yay, number two. Oh, he got off. Rain delay. Done getting heavier. I might have put my camera's waterproof, but I just don't want to get shit all over the lens so you can't see. Gonna have to put it away for a sec. Alright, nothing on the lens. It's not panning out very well so far. There we go. Right as I say that. Oh, this one feels better. I think this is a better trout. It's fighting a lot harder. It's taking drag. You want him? You keep him or no? Whoops. Oh, too late now. There we go. Yeah. Told you they like these grubs. Whoop. Stay. Stay. You want him? He's up there. Uh oh. Okay. Oh, there we go. I got another one. Yeah, I think I found the spot, guys. That one hit on the drop. That one hit it on the drop. Wow, this is a nicer one too. You want another one?
Can I see what you're catching?
Crappie tube. Just a little crappie tube.
Can I buy one of those for you?
That's the only one I have. I found it in the tree. They're just the crappie tubes. That's what we all use.
Wow, cool.
I don't know, none of these I bought. People just gave them to me. There we go. Oh, dang it. That one I had hooked for a second. Yeah, a bunch of my viewers and that came. So the first time they gave them to me. Then my friend Galen gave me one. And this one I found in the tree. There you go. You got him. You got him. Your line's just caught on the rock, but you had him. There we go. Got you that time, you bastard. You can only fool me 5 times. I said you can only fool me 5 times. 6th time I catch you, you bastard. You want him to? How many do I have now? Like 6? There we go. Feisty today though, man. I fight hard. It's up to you.
You're knocking dead, boss.
Oh, should watch my shows. We got like 70 one day.
Jesus.
The one day.
Thank you.
There he is. Yeah. Dang. Gee, woohoo! A jumper. Oh, he's bigger. Oh, yeah, he was bigger. He was like 13 inch. Oh, was that a fish? Yep, it was a fish. I just have so bad a feeling with this. But I got that one. Huh?
I had a fight.
No, this one won't come off at all.
Did you know if they planted?
Yeah, they plan. They plan at 10:30.
Oh, at 2:30?
Yeah. All right, one more. I'm taking a break. I got to call and pay my rent. Well, there we go. I found another one. Where's he going? It's a little one. Try and catch one on the other side. I can always come back over here. Well, there we go. What I have to do? Cast where I was casting from the other side. They're just all sitting right there in the middle. Yay! Well, I caught one on this side. Back the other side. Right outwards. There we go. Oh, I lost him. Dang it. There we go. Once I got it out there in the middle. I didn't even have to do anything that time. I just picked it up and there he was. Dang. Oh, good. He got off. There we go. Another one in hand. Here you go, guys. There we go. Well, that's good because I can cast with the wind there. Where's he going? Where's he going? There he is. It's the third one. There you go. Is that on the bait again? Wow. Starting to calm down. They're like, we don't want to chase things anymore. There we go. Woohoo! Jumper! Yay! There we go. Another trout-a-rooney. Yay! This grub's seen better days, guys. Yeah, it still looks good in the water though. It'll last. Whoa, that was a bite. Oh, I got him. He done came back. Long and thin. This grub's definitely on the way out, guys. Oh, there was a fish right there. There he is. Back to back, guys. Back to back. Oh, he got off. Oh, there we go. Third one out there. Man. He's fighting hard. Water must be colder or something. They're fighting harder. Fighting harder than they've been. Wee-hoo! There's another one. Oh, I lost him too. Dang. There are a lot of fish sitting in that one little spot right there. Right around there. This one's angry. He's a little bit bigger too. Hey, look at that, guys. That was a little bit bigger. Well, I guess I got to go over here and film him first. I didn't get him the last time. You got him? All right. I didn't get his last fish. I was talking to him, but I was on a break. They're out there this time. That's weird. These fish are like totally different places right now. And now they're all out in the middle.
Catch one?
Yeah.
All right, now it's your turn. Follow me, I'll show you the spot. If they're still there, it's like right there.
Gotcha. Right out in the middle?
Right out in the middle, but yeah, right about there. I'm refraining from throwing right now.
No, I'll throw it. I'd rather
No,
watch.
yeah.
I'm a visual.
I will. I just wait. The wind's cutting down a little now. Oh.
You have one?
Yep. Haha. Guess I did. Woo, a jumper.
Oh, it's gonna be a long day for me tomorrow.
Here we go, guys.
Sorry, I didn't even hurt me.
Tons.
No.
Tons.
Oh, cool. Cool.
Yeah, I just put trout in today, so
Fun.
she seems happy.
I got no lights in that truck, so I'm gonna make one little move right over here. I'm gonna make 2 more casts, and that's gonna be it.
All right.
I'm gonna
Well,
have to leave the hot spot to you.
it's not hot anymore.
Yeah, I know it.
It's getting that time of day.
Yeah.
There we go. Hey, they did go shallower. I done caught one, guys. Yoo-hoo. There we go.
Hope you have a lot.
Got one right now.
Yeah.
Got one.
That's a good one. That's a bigger and better one.
Wow. Oh my God, that thing swallowed it.
Is that's legal?
What?
That one right there?
You didn't keep any.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can't get it out of there. You guys want it? Do you eat fish?
No, I don't have
do you have anything to put it in? Yes, I want to take it in the hotel.
Oh,
We're gonna die anyway.
I'm not gonna waste it for him,
Yeah, he's gonna die anyway. Alright, that's going to do it for this little CCB video blog. That was a lot of fun again. I mean, all these stocks have been fun. Well, except for the first one. But this was the weirdest one, because if you've seen the last 2, remember all the fish were on the other side. That was the hot spot. I only caught one over there. I think I only caught one. I only got one bite over there. All the fish, for some reason, this time were in the middle. Almost everything I caught, well, there were a few I caught closer, but almost all of them were out in the middle. What is with that? Just weird. I mean, I had fun though. I gave that one guy actually his whole limit. I just gave those homeless guys a trout. Weird though, nobody showed up. I got a brand new grub. You haven't seen the grub that's on my pole. I should have brought it. But yeah, that guy had one. It's the exact one I was using. So now I got a new one. Yay. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, Ricardo and his kids didn't show up. Galen didn't show up. I have no idea. I guess nobody thought they were going to stock because it was raining or something. But I came for you guys. I filmed it for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please come back for our other shows, our tips and tricks, our biology bites. Come join us live. Sunday, Monday night. No, it's Sunday or Monday and Tuesday night. I do a panel on Monday, and I do a regular show on Tuesday, Fish Talk Tuesday. Come check that out. Yeah, this was a lot of fun. I might come tomorrow and just play around. Not film, just fish for fun. It was another good trout adventure. I sure hope you guys enjoyed it. Give us some likes, share, and as always, sub if you haven't. Turn that little red thing down there gray for me. I'll see you next time.
That was terrific!
Great! Yeah!
Fresh face!
Fantastic! Yeah, it's really great! Really pisky, yeah.